Hello guys, it's me Neeraj and this is the 15th video of Upright with Web. So in this video we will be starting our new project, that is SMS function. So in this video we will be covering three topics. First one is we will see about Upright function and its features, and then we will set up the project for SMS function, and at last we will create Twilio account. We will be using Twilio to send SMS. So let's get started. So I am inside Upright documentation of functions, and it is telling that Upright function allow you to extend and customize your Upright server functionality by executing your custom code. So this simply means that we can create custom function and upload in Upright server. We can trigger those function from Upright API or directly from the console. So let's go to our Upright console. Let's create a new project, SMS function, and click on create. Now we will be going to functions. Let's create a new function. Name is SMS function, and we will be using Node.js 16.0. Click on create. So this is our dashboard of Upright function. Here we can deploy our tag. We will be doing that soon. This is our function ID. We can delete our function from here. In the monitor we can see the execution time taken by the function to execute, and if there are errors this will also show in here. This is the log page of SMS function, and inside setting there are different settings for the Upright function. First is the name. Second, we can add the execute SS. So let's add star for wildcard SS. We can keep the timeout for 15 seconds, and we can execute our function in different events. Like when account is created, we can execute a function when it is updated. In the same way, there are tons of events. Here is schedule, we don't need that right now, and we need these variables, so we will be adding variables soon. These variables can be changed and used in our Upright function. Let's click on update. Now let's set up a project. So to do that, let's go to our project folder. Let's open this in code. So in this project, we will be making SMS function that will send the SMS to the user. Let's initialize our Node app. So to do that, let's create a new terminal, and inside that we will initialize the npm. Now we have created a package.json. Now let's install package. We only need one package, that is Twilio. Npm install and press enter. Now let's create a new file called index.js. And inside package.json we need to create a new script called start. Now let's save this. Let's close our project and create a new Twilio account. So to do that, let's write GitHub student pack Twilio. So GitHub student pack will provide you more credits for the Twilio so that you can send more SMS. You will get $50 credit if you go through it. If you will follow the normal process by going to twilio.com and signing in, then you will only get $15 credit. From here you will get $50 credit. So let's click on get student benefit and click on redeem your credit. So here you can see your code has been applied successfully. Now you need to enter your first name, last name, email and password of 15 characters. After that you will get a verification email in your Gmail account. you need to verify that, and after that you need to verify your phone number. Then you will be asked some question, you can choose it according to your preference. Then you will be sent to dashboard. Now let me log in, as I already have an account. So you will also see such dashboard. You just need to go to get a trial phone number, click on that and click on choose this number, click on done. Now you have your account SID, authentication token and phone number. So in the next video we will create a function to send SMS using Twilio. This much for today, thank you.